In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see zip code in Google Maps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reveal the zip or postal code for any location using the Google Maps app on your phone, whether you're on Android or iOS. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load the map and your current location. For the smoothest experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection and, if prompted, allow location permissions. You don't need to sign in for this, but keeping the app updated helps ensure the interface matches what you see here. Now find the general area you're interested in. You can pan around the map with one finger and pinch to zoom for precision. When you're ready, press and hold on the exact spot you want. This long press drops a pin on the map. You'll know it worked when you see a red pin appear and a small, dropped pin card slide up from the bottom. If the pin isn't exactly where you want it, just long press again on the correct spot to move it. Before we expand the details, choose your preferred travel mode if you plan to get directions after finding the code. You'll see options like driving, transit, walking, or cycling near the top or when you go into directions. Picking a mode here doesn't change the address information itself, but it does tailor the icons and navigation options you'll see next, which can be handy if you're heading there right away. Next, tap the dropped pin card at the bottom to expand it to full view. You can also swipe it up. This opens the location details, showing more context about where the pin is placed. Here's the key part. Within this expanded view, look for the full address line. It typically includes the street number, street name, city, state, or region, and the zip code. In many countries outside the United States, this will be listed as a postal code. If you don't immediately see the code, scroll slightly within the card or look just beneath the main address line. Sometimes it's displayed in the summary and again in the detailed section. A few quick tips if the code isn't showing. Zoom in closer and drop the pin on a specific building or labeled area rather than the middle of a large park or rural zone. Moving the pin a few feet can help maps associate it with a mailable address. Also, some remote locations may not have an assigned code, so try a nearby street or intersection. That's it. Simple, fast, and accurate. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.